हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले हमने स्टैंडर्ड 9th का मैथ्स 1 के अंडर सेकेंड चैप्टर हमने स्टार्ट किए थे रियल नंबर्स। उसमें प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.3 इसके क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 ये 4 क्वेश्चंस इसके प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने सॉल्व किए थे। नाउ इन दिस वीडियो we will continue practice set 2.3 and we'll take question number 5. The question number 5 is like this: compare the following pair of surds. Here we have to compare two surds. Okay, so to understand how to compare the surds, we consider first example from practice set 2.3 question number 5 as square root of 247 and square root of 274. Such two surds are given. Okay, so just see, is there any coefficient for these two given surds? Is there any coefficient? Coefficient means is there any number which is multiplied by this multiplied to this given surds? Is there any number? ये numbers को जो है कोई number है क्या ऐसा जो multiply हो रहा है outside में है? That is called coefficient. So there is no any coefficient. So we just compare the radicand. है ना, तो अंदर का जो नंबर रहेगा जिसको हम रेडिकेंट बोलते, वी कंपेयर देम. सो ये 247 इज लेस देन 274 एंड सिंस बोथ हैव सेम ऑर्डर सो वी कंपेयर द रेडिकेंट. सो ये 247 इज लेस देन 274 एंड देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 247 इज लेस देन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 274. In this way we can compare the surds, given surds. Okay, now consider second example as 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Just compare these two surds. So first number we consider as 7 root 2. Okay, so first we have to remove. Yes, coefficient is given here. 7 is the coefficient for this surd, 7 root 2. So first we have to remove this 7 from here. Okay, so how we can remove this 7? Just take that 7 under the root. So we can write this as 2 into 7 square by taking square, because order is 2. So by taking square of this coefficient 7, है ना, we write that number under root. Okay, so you will get square root of 2 into 7 square, that is 49, and you will get 49 twos are, and 49 twos are is 2 nines are 18, right? It is 98, right? So in this way we remove that 7 from the outside of given surd, and that surd converted to root 98. 7 root 2 is converted to root of 98. Similarly do for 5 root 3. Here also order is 2. So just 3 into, just take this 5 under this root, so we can write it as 5 square. Okay, you will get 3 into 5 square is 25, and 25 threes are, that is 75. So here order is same, coefficient is also same for both the surds, root 98 and root 75. Just compare them. So here 75 is less than 98, and therefore a root of 75 is less than a root of 98. But root 75 is nothing but 5 root 3. So we can write here 5 root 3 is less than root 98. That comes from 7 root 2. तो इस तरह से जो है इसको क्या करना है, हमको सॉल्व करना है. एनी डाउट इन दिस? समझ में आएगा? देखो यहाँ पर जो भी कोएफिशिएंट रहेगा उसको रिमूव करना है. रिमूव करना मतलब क्या करना है, उसको अंदर लेके जाना है. रूट, जो रूट का साइन रहेगा उसके अंदर लेके जाएंगे. और कैसा लेके जाएंगे? जितना ऑर्डर रहेगा. अब यहाँ पर हमको जो स्टडी करना है सर्ड्स में, ऑर्डर 2 ही ऑर्डर रहेगी, वही सर्ड्स हमको क्या करना है, स्टडी करना है. तो उसका स्क्वायर लेके अंदर लेकर जाएंगे उसको. ठीक है, जो भी आउटसाइड में नंबर रहेगा उसको स्क्वायर लेंगे उसको, और अंडर रूट लिखेंगे, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके लेंगे, और फिर दोनों के ऑर्डर सेम हो जाएगी, कोएफिशिएंट सेम हो गए, तो उसके रेडिकेंट को कंपेयर करेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, इन दिस वे वी हैव टू सॉल्व. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज वन मोर एग्जांपल आई विल शो दैट 3rd example 4 square root of 42 and 9 root 2. Okay, so we consider first number as 4 square root of 42, that is equal to square root of 42 into, just take this 4 inside the root. So by taking square of that, we have to write here. So 4 square, that is 16. So 42 into 16 is nothing but square root of 672. 672. And now second number is 9 root 2 is there, that is equal to square root of 2 into 9 square, that is 81, is equal to square root of 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now just compare their radicand. So you will get 162 is less than 672, and therefore square root of 162 is less than square root of 672, and therefore this 162, root of 162 comes from 9 root 2. So this 9 root 2 is less than root of 672, that comes from 4 root 42. Okay, so that is the comparison of 9 root 2 and 4 root 42. Any doubt in this? Okay, now come to next one example, fourth example. Now fourth example is like this: 7 and 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Okay, so this 7 we can write as square root of 49, right? And now 2 root 5 we can write it as square root of 5 into, just take this 2 inside the root, so you will get 2 square, that is 4. So 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. Just compare them. So here 49 is greater than 20, right? And therefore a root of 49 is greater than a root of 20, and root 49 is nothing but 7 is greater than 2 root 5, because this root 49 is nothing but 7 and this root 20 is nothing but 2 root 5. So 7 is greater than 2 root 5. Okay, that is the comparison between two surds. So in this way we have to solve question number 5. Now next question is question number 6 from practice set 2.3. Simplify. Okay, now in that first example is there 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus square root of 125. So here if you observe, then first two surds, that is 9 root 5 and 4 root 5, the radicands are equal. That means they are like surds, and we can add or subtract like surds. So here subtraction is there. Just take subtraction of their coefficients. Okay, that means we can take root 5 common from both the terms. So 9 minus 4, that comes in the bracket, into root 5 plus, now here square root of 125 is there. Just simplify this if it is possible. Okay, so find factors for 125, so that one factor should be a perfect square. So the factors for 125 will be 25 5s. Okay, so you will get 9 minus 4, that is 5 root 5 plus, now square root of 25 is 5 root 5, and 5 root 5 plus 5 root 5, in that both root 5 is common there. So you will get 5 plus 5 into root 5, that is equal to 10 root 5. That is the answer for this example. Yes, any doubt in this? कोई डाउट है इसके अंदर? देखो समझ में आया कैसे करना है तुमको. जो भी सर्ट रहेगा, जो सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में रहेगा, कीप एज इट इज, और जिसका पॉसिबल है उसको हम क्या करेंगे, उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे और उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. टोटल 4 एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन. आउट ऑफ 4 एग्जांपल्स आई विल शो 3 एग्जांपल्स फॉर यू. Okay, I will show 3 example. Last one example you have to solve. Now second example is like this: 7 root 48 minus square root of 27 minus root 3, that is equal to 7 into square root of, now 48, factors for 48, so that one factor should be a perfect square. So 16 3s are 48 minus square root of 27, factors for 27, 9 3s are 27 minus root 3 as it is. Okay, that is equal to this 7 as it is. Now square root of 16 is 4, that comes outside, into root 3. Okay, minus square root of 9 is 3 into root 3 minus root 3. Now if you compare this, all the 3 surds are like surds because the radicands are equal. So we can take root 3 common. So you will get from first term 7 4s are 28 minus, in second there is minus 3 and here minus 1 into root 3. How much it is? 28 minus 3, that is 25. 25 minus 1, that is 24 root 3. That is the answer for this second example. Now come to third one. Third example, and third example is like this. It is root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. If you observe all the three surds, then they are like surds. Okay, so we can take root 7 directly common. So take directly root 7 common. So from first term only 1 is left, minus from second term there is 3 upon 5 plus 2, right, into root 7 into root 7. So here there is this 1 plus 2, we can easily add them. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus 3 upon 5, okay, into root 7. Okay, that is equal to, now here by taking cross multiplication, because here we have to take subtraction of two fractions, 3 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. Both denominators are different, so take cross multiplication. So 3 5s are 15 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 5 1s are 5 into root 7. So how much it is? 15 minus 3, that is 12 upon 5 into root 7. So that is the answer for third example. So only one example is left, so that example you have to solve. Now come to next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7, multiply and write. First example is there, that is 3 root 12 into root 18 into root 18. So here we have to multiply 3 root 12 by root 18. Okay, so first we have to simplify 3 root 12 and root 18. So we write this 3 root 12 as 3 into square root of, now find the factors for 12, so that one factor should be a perfect square. So those factors are 4 3s are 12, right? Therefore is perfect square. Similarly find the factors for 18 as 9 2s are 18, right? That is equal to 3 into square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2 into root 3 into square root of 9 is 3 root 2, right? So just take multiplication of the numbers which are outside the root. That means 3 into 2 into 3. इनका multiplication लेंगे. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and just take multiplication of the radicands, that is 3 into 2. So you will get 18 into square root of 3 2s are 6. So that is the answer for first example. Yes, any doubt in this? कुछ doubt है इसके अंदर? So this is the first example. Now 3 root 12 into 7 root 15, okay, that is equal to this 3 as it is into square root of 12 first term, as we solved here, same 4 3s are 12 will come here, into 7. Now root 15, is it possible to find the factors for 15 so that one factor should be a perfect square? So there is no factors, so we keep root 15 as it is, that is equal to 3. Now square root of 4, that is 2 root 3 into 7 root 15, that is equal to, now take multiplication of the numbers which are outside. So 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are, that is 42 into square root of 15 3s are, that is 45. Multiplication of the radicands, 3 into 15, 15 3s are 45, okay, that is equal to 42. Now is it possible to find the factors for 45 so that one factor should be a perfect square? है क्या ऐसा possible? देखो कि 45 के ऐसे factors find करो जिसमें से एक factor perfect square रहना चाहिए. So the factors for 45 are 9 into 9 5s are 45, right? And 9 is a perfect square. So you can write it as 42. Now square root of 9, that is 3 into square root of 5. 42 3s are, so 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12, so 126 square root of 5. That is the answer for this second example. Similarly, last two examples you have to solve. Okay, now this is the question number 7. Now come to question number 8, and question number 8 is divide and write the answer in simplest form. Divide Question number 8. Divide and write the answer. Write the answer in simplest form. In simplest form. Okay. Again, here 4 examples are given. Right. 4 examples are given. Out of 4 examples, 2 examples I will show. Remaining 2 examples you have to solve. Okay. Now, first example, that is root 98 divided by root 2. Root 98 divided by root 2. So, this root 98 divided by root 2 we can write as square root of 98 divided by 2. Okay. Just simplify this. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Right. 1 is left. 2 nines are 18. That is equal to square root of 49. And square root of 49 is nothing but 7. That is the answer. Okay. Now second example. Second example, that is square root of 125 divided by square root of 50. Okay. So this we can write as square root of 125 divided by square root of 50 is equal to square root of 125 divided by 50. Now just simplify both the terms. That means we have to find the factors. So 125 factors for 125, that is 25 5s are 125, and factors for 50, that is 25 2s are 50. Right. So this 25 get cancelled, and finally answer you will get as 5 upon 2. Okay. Is there any doubt in this? No. Now come to next example, that is third one, that is square root of 310 divided by square root of 5. Square root of 5. So that we can write as square root of 310 divided by 5. Just simplify this. 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. 1 is left. है ना? 5 2s are 10. That is equal to square root of 62. Now just find, is it possible to simplify this root 62? Is it possible? No. So keep that term as it is. Okay. So that is the answer, root of 62. So in this way we have to divide and we have to write the answer in simplest form. So here question number 6 is over. Now come to next question, that is rationalize the denominator. Question number 9 is rationalize the denominator. That is first example is 3 upon root 5. 3 upon root 5. So here if you observe that denominator, then denominator is irrational number. We have to convert this irrational number to rational number. Okay. So how we can convert, just see here. So 3 upon root 5, just multiply and both numerator and denominator by root 5. Same factor we have to multiply, root 5 into root 5. Okay. So you will get 3 root 5 upon root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5, that is equal to 3 root 5 upon root 5 into root 5 is 5 only. है ना? Before I said this root 2 into root 2, it is 2 always. Root 3 into root 3, it is 3 always. Similarly, root 5 into root 5, it is 5 always. Okay. So in this way, now this root sign get cancelled here. है ना? There is no root sign in the final answer. That means that number, that denominator is rationalized there. Okay. Now second example is like this, 6 upon 9 root 3. 6 upon 9 root 3, that is equal to. So you will get here 6 upon 9 root 3. So here 9 is a rational number and root 3 is irrational number. Okay. So we consider that factor, irrational factor, that is root 3 upon root 3. Just multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So you will get 6 root 3 upon this 9 root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 6 root 3 upon 9 and root 3 into root 3, that is 3 only. Okay. If it is possible, just simplify here. 3 ones are 3 2s are. So you will get 2 root 3 upon 9. That is the final answer. Yes, any doubt in this? No. Now if such example is there, 1 upon root of 8, 1 upon root of 8, then here root of 8 is there. So we have to first simplify this root 8. We have to simplify this root 8. We can simplify it as 4 2s are. 4 2s are, that is equal to 1 upon square root of 4, that is 2 root 2. So here root 2 is irrational factor. Okay, we have to rationalize it by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 2. Okay, so you will get root 2 divided by 2 into 2, because root 2 into root 2 it is 2, and you will get as root 2 upon 2 2s are 4. Okay, so in this way you have to solve question number 9. ठीक है, total 5 examples are given. Out of 5, 2 examples I'll show. This one is the extra example I'll show here. Remaining 3 examples you have to solve by this same method. Okay, so in this way this practice set 2.3 is over here. तो यहाँ पे 2.3 ये प्रैक्टिस सेट यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया. मैं तमाम स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, जिस तरह से आप तक ये लिंक पहुंची है ना, तो आप लोग क्या करें, अपने जो भी क्लासमेट्स होंगे वो क्लासमेट्स को जो है ये लिंक शेयर करें, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे जो है वीडियोस को देखें और उससे अपना स्टडी जो है लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में अपने घर पर करें. ठीक है, अपने वीडियोस को जो है आप लोग ज़रूर लाइक करें, उसको शेयर करें, उसको कमेंट करें. ठीक है, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि जो भी वीडियो होगा, जो भी नया वीडियो होगा, उसका नोटिफिकेशन जो है आपको ईमेल के ज़रिए मिल जाए. ओके, थैंक यू.
Wow.